Hi, John from Diode Dynamics. Today we'll be showing you how to install our Stage Series ditch light kit on this 2021 Ford F-150. Let's get started. With our Stage Series ditch light kit, you have the option to mount our SSC2 or SS3 LED pods. For our application today, we'll be mounting SS3s. The first step is going to be to mask off the fender with some painter's tape so we don't scratch anything. Next, we'll lift up this rubber cowl trim so we can remove the top fender bolt using a 10mm socket. Next, we'll be installing our bracket using the 10mm bolt that we just removed. You'll notice on the brackets they're labeled L and R for left and right. When we do install this, make sure the brackets are facing towards the outside of the vehicle. Once we've installed the bracket on the driver's side, we can repeat the same steps to install the other bracket on the passenger side. Now we can route our wiring. First, we'll connect our positive and negative leads to the battery. Then you can route the DT connectors however you see fit. On our vehicle, we'll route them along the fender and then up from underneath the cowl. After that, you can route the toggle switch through the firewall to the location of your choice. If your vehicle came with a factory switch panel, we also include our OEM switch adapter harness so you can connect to that as well. Now we're ready to assemble our SS3s. We'll drop our supplied nuts into the slots on either side of our pod with the nylon lock ring facing the inside. Next, we'll slide our universal bracket over the back of the pod and thread in our 5/32 Allen screws and washers, leaving them hand tight to save room for adjustment later. We'll repeat this process on both of our SS3s. Next, we'll mount our SS3s on our ditch light brackets. We'll drop the carriage bolt through the universal bracket and then through the ditch light bracket. We'll thread on the washer, lock washer, and a 13mm nut, leaving it hand tight to save room for adjustment. Once we've installed our SS3 in the driver's side of the vehicle, we can repeat the same steps to install the other pod on the passenger side of the vehicle. Now we can plug in our DT connectors into the back of both pods and make our final aiming adjustments. When you're happy where those are aimed, you can use a 5/32 Allen and a 13mm wrench to tighten everything down. Finally, we can tie up any excess wiring away from any hot or moving parts using zip ties and remove any tape from the installation. Whether you mounted our SSC2s or SS3s to your F-150 ditch light brackets, you'll have an insane amount of added light output while off-roading. This kit was designed, tested, and assembled right here in St. Louis, Missouri with durability in mind, and it's backed by an 8-year warranty. If you're looking to pick up a ditch light kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any newer future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.